Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mark, Dodge Dude KC, and check this thing out. Mojito Mojave. Thing is absolutely gorgeous. I love this green color. I don't have the keys. I just saw this thing sitting here in the parking lot. It is available for sale. I just wanted to show it to y'all. Let me turn this camera around so we can check it out together. Thanks for watching. Yeah, guys, here it is, the Mojito Mojave. The J is pronounced like an H. And then, so the Mojave, you guys know, it's got the heavy-duty suspension system on it. So you got your Fox suspension, you got the rubber stop on the bottom, because this thing is made to jump over stuff. Pretty sweet. You can see this one's equipped with your metal bumper. So it's got that extra protection, and it's also got your extra heavy-duty cooler on it for you as well. You got rock sliders, so it's ready to hit the trails. As you can see here, let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit so we can get a look at it. You got rock rails on the back. I actually own a Gladiator. You can see this one's got the trailer tow hitch on it and everything. It's the Mojito color. Woohoo! Absolutely gorgeous. And then, if you guys don't know already, you know, these Sport S and above, they come with the standard, the safety forward collision warning. They also come with Gorilla Glass now too, because you know these windshields break pretty easy. And then check that out. You got that little dude over there. That's actually the antenna, that little brown line. And then these 4 lines here are that forward collision warning system. So you get a lot of upgraded stuff on the Wranglers these days. They've even changed the body style and everything. But there she is, guys. The Mojito 2025 Jeep Gladiator. Pretty cool. Thanks for checking out the video. Y'all have a great day.